Hello, my name is Georgina. I am from Barcelona. This lesson is for week 1 of Introduction to Music Production at Coursera, and I will be teaching types and use of important studio cables. Cables are one of the most important parts of the studio as you connect the signals to your gear with cables, and to maintain the integrity of those signals, we need to understand which cables and connector to use in each case. The first I'm going to introduce you is the TS cable or the instrument cable. It's probably one of the most important ones. It's a quarter-inch jack and it has two segments, the tip and the sleeve. This is a single conductor cable and that's generally used for mono and balanced signal, such as the sound of your guitar or your bass going into the microphone preamp. The outer sleeve here is designed to prevent noise to get into the cable, but this cable still picks quite a lot of noise. So when you're using this cable, you want to use it as short as possible. The next cable I'm going to introduce you is the TRS cable, which is a variation of the TS cable. In this case, it has three segments: the tip, the ring, and the sleeve. That's why it's TRS. And this is a double conductor cable. And this cable, we can be using it in two different ways. One way to use it is as a stereo cable, for example, from your headphones. And we will be sending two signals through this cable. In this case, we're still sending it as unbalanced cable. And to use it as a balanced configuration, we want to send one signal through the double conductor. That will prevent sound to get in. So if we want to have a stereo signal, we're going to need to plug two of those, one for each side. The next balance cable we use is the XLR. XLR has two ends, a male end and a female end. This is designed for microphones, although other parts of the equipment might use it, like for example your studio monitors. This has three connectors like the TRS, and this is never used as a stereo. It's normally only used as balanced configuration. So if you want to have stereo, you will be using two of them again, one of each side. Sometimes you want to convert your unbalanced cable that pick up sound into a balanced cable like the XLR. And in that case, you use a direct box or a DI box. This has an input for quarter inch, like the TS, and an output on an XLR. So that helps you to have a short run of the TS and a long run of the XLR. So that prevents sound. This is very important on stage because you don't want your cables to be picking up any noise. And this also has another output with a quarter inch, so that will help you to connect. That will give you a secondary output, which will probably help you to connect it to your amplifier. This you will also need to connect your bass or your guitar into your DAW. Another cable that we will see is a 8-inch stereo cable. This is basically the same that the TRS on a stereo configuration, but it's just smaller. And there is adapters to make it going from 8-inch to quarter-inch. Very easy. The last cable I want to show you is the RCA cable. This is basically the same that the TS cable. It has two segments, the tip and the sleeve. And this is also, each one of these is a single conductor. So again, it's unbalanced. And if you need to send It comes normally in pairs for audio, so you can use you can send stereo signals through one signal through each of them, and there's very easy adapters, so you can convert this to a TS cable. Hope this helped you. Thank you very much.